Don't give up. Don't give up. Don't quit. I don't know who needs to hear this or even why this came to me as I pushed play and decided to do this video, and maybe it's you. But this message that I plan to impart to you next in this video is all about you never giving up and not quitting. And so if you're finding yourself at a crossroads right now and you're considering stopping, giving up, throwing in the towel, then I hope this next video is in service to you. Hey there, I'm Darieth Chisolm. Thanks so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel and being here to watch this video. It's going to be a short one, but I hope a very important one, particularly if you're in the space right now where you are considering quitting or stopping or giving up. And I don't care what it is, whether it's with your business or in a relationship or with weight loss or anything. We're always on a journey to the next place in life. And so many times when we're on a journey, things come up and then we decide to throw in the towel and just give up. And you don't need me and you don't need this video for me to remind you to never do that. But I'm here just in case you're in this space right now and you literally are saying to yourself, I can't go another step. I don't think this is going to happen. Because here's what I want to ask you. If it's really important for you, if you knew that in the recesses of your mind and your heart that you deserve that thing that you're going for, that your life would be so much different if you had it, if you experienced it, would it matter how long it took? Would it really matter the challenge that you might be facing? Would it even matter that maybe it's not as easy as you anticipated? It is not about getting to the destination. It's about enjoying the journey. It's about experiencing everything that you are meant to experience along the way to attaining whatever that particular goal is. And if you give up on it, you then give up on the experiences that are meant for you on the journey or on the path, which could be so much more important to you than the actual attaining of the particular goal. You know, back when I was running and I was preparing for marathons, before running a successful marathon and actually completing the 26.2 miles, I'd never done it before. I wasn't even sure what to expect, but I knew that I had to remain very consistent in my training and in my long and my short run so that on the day of the marathon, I could complete it. And if I'd ever given up on accomplishing that goal, at least in my mind, in terms of practicing, then I never would have been able to cross the finish line and ever experience it. And interestingly enough, while I was training, I literally popped, if you will, my IT band in the middle of a run. In fact, I was out on a 6-mile run and I just hit 3 miles and was turning around and I felt like someone shot me in the knee. I dropped to the ground and I was in so much pain. And for any of you all who are runners and you've ever experienced an IT band issue, it's so painful, right? I could walk regularly, but every time I would extend my leg to run, I couldn't do it. And in that moment, first off, I had to get back because I was at the turn from 3 miles. So I walked the back in tears, frustrated because I was weeks away from running my first marathon. And all I could think about was, oh my God, I've done all of this training. And at this time, this was going to be a marathon at Disney. And we bought the tickets. We were all ready to go. And I think I had probably about 5 weeks left before it was time to go. And I could have easily decided to throw in the towel. And it took me months of training, and rightfully so. So I, made an appointment to go and spend time with a therapist as well as someone who could help me to rehabilitate my IT band. And I had to train differently. But what I had to do more than anything else was to decide I'm still going to run this race. And even if I need to walk to complete it, I will do that because I'm not giving up. I've come all this way. This happened out of nowhere. And what do I need to do to prepare myself? As opposed to me saying, that's it, I'm done, I'm not doing it. And I'm so glad that I not only did what I needed to do to make sure that I healed my IT band so that I could actually run and complete the marathon, but the lesson in it for me was all of the runs that I did up until that time and every run that I did after that was to appreciate the ability to run, appreciate being outside, appreciate the fact that I trained my body up until this time to do a marathon and to not give up and to know that I was capable of achieving the completion of the marathon. And while I wasn't doing this for time where most athletes or people who are looking to qualify for a particular race, I just wanted to make sure that I completed what I went out to do. And you might be in that very same situation. It might be your business. It could be in a relationship. It could be in weight loss. It could be anything. And along the way, you've hit something that has you thinking, I'm quitting. It's not working for me, so I'm giving up. Your success could be right around the corner. And the minute that you decide to give up, you've not only cut off the opportunity to experience everything that you were supposed to learn in the journey, but you've also limited yourself from actually still accomplishing the goal. So, I could talk about this on and on and on, and I likely am going to create some subsequent videos around not giving up because I realize sometimes this can go deeper. But I wanted at least to put something together for you just in case you stumbled upon this video and you literally were in that space and time where you are thinking or were thinking that your only option was to quit. There are 1,001 options other than to quit. And perhaps what this is the opportunity for you to explore something different and to choose differently so that you can still accomplish the goal. But you can never give up and you can never quit because that is a guaranteed loss. Instead, keep pressing forward, keep believing in yourself, keep challenging yourself and looking for the other options that exist. And maybe for you, that's what this moment in time is about, is to decide, maybe I'm not ready to give up on attaining the goal. Maybe I just need to switch things up and do things differently. You can make it happen. Believe in yourself, believe in your vision, believe in your dream. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Would love to continue to provide to you different videos to employ you to go out and be the absolute best version of yourself. Have a wonderful day and thank you so much for watching this video.